Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang pambato sa cheesecake talaga. And for me, ito pa rin ang pinaka-fave ko pagdating sa cheesecake. For me, when it comes to affordability and quality, medyo mahirap tapatan. And maybe, pati na rin sa anything pistachio. Kasi for me, what's better than a pistachio cake? A pistachio cheesecake. And ito, legit na goods. This is actually from Cheesecake by Chele. Last year, kasali sila sa top 10 best food finds ko with their tarta de queso. This time, this is their tarta de queso, but make it pistachio. And just like their OG flavor, na-enjoy ko din siya as much. Now, let's talk about it. I got to taste it in its two forms, the freshly baked runny and the firm one kapag chilled na siya sa fridge nyo. And for me, I like it better runny. Though parehas lang sila ng ingredients, mas litaw kasi yung lasa ng pistachio dun sa runny. So basically, bolder flavors for the pistachio and even the cheesecake din. So if you prefer your cheesecake na mas firmer and may stability, then best to have it served chilled. Taste-wise, no question, this is a pistachio cheesecake. So there's a good balance of the actual cheesecake and yung nutty essence ng pistachio with still a dominant cheesecake taste plus an overall balance of sweet and savory. Good kasi hindi lang siya basta tamis lang. Price-wise, dito ko nagulat. With the quality of ingredients, this 9-inch cheesecake is priced at 2,600 and sells only at 330 per slice when compared to other tartar de queso in the market. Definitely not cheap, but for sure, the more affordable option. Sabi ko nga, what if may mga crushed nuts pa as toppings? But I guess ayaw naman natin na sobrang magmahal na siya. For me, Cheesecake by Chele did not disappoint as always. And I wanna know if magustuhan nyo din. Let me know if na-try nyo. Choy!